Now, like I said, this ain't gonna be perfect. This is just trying to get it to where it can look decent. You know, I'm not trying to be no perfectionist on this. I just want it to look good because I want it in the house. Is that the way to do it? No, it's not the way to do it, but that's the way I'm doing it. It's working. Like I said, it's just for me. Looking a whole lot better than it was. Yeah, boy, look at that. Ooh, getting ready for some coat of paint. But I am going to tell you what. They say use a wire brush. This is alright for little intricate places like this, where you can't really get into it. And you gotta work it. You gotta work it a little bit. You work that thing like that. Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. There it is. A little intricate place. Like that. Just get in there. Get it, get it, get it. You know, like my man, like, get it, get it, get it. And I'll tell you what, hope me, gimme, Kimmy, this thing will wear you out. So guess what? We're gonna do a magic trick. Ah, there we go. Now that's still a wire brush. It's just a lot faster, and it's got more strokes than I do. So we're gonna get to cooking.
Don't stop now, we're jumping. Give everything the law allows. This thing might turn into something. I'm mistaken, here comes something now.
Yeah, boy, that's what you call roasting that thing, boy. It's a whole lot quicker than that. Oh, yeah. Got a little bit more to go. So we're going to keep on getting at it because the sun going down and ain't got time to be messing around. Yeah. They've already messed up the porcelain on it. I guess somebody tried to do a paint job on it before and they just painted over everything, sanded over everything. So, yeah. Been nice to keep the porcelain, but might as well grind it off and repaint it because it's all messed up anyway. They messed it up. But that's all good. I can get it. Get it. Get it. I hope he didn't mind me borrowing his phrase. Get it, what we got it. All right, getting it. Well, almost complete. Got to hit the backside. Can't forget that. We might hit it with a little light coat or something, but you know, it ain't as prominent as the front. But still, it's still there. So it needs a little attention too, because it looked like they tried to do something back here and it sure didn't work out right. So we're gonna fix this too. We're gonna hit it and get it. Boy, them robots in this space junk garage done got something getting on it here, ain't they, boys? Get it, y'all. Well, it's getting a little late, getting a little dark, but she is ready for paint. We'll have to catch that in a better time. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Later on, you get to see what it looks like.